guys, welcome to our channel Azra and Afra in Wonderland. Today we're going to make ghee rice and chicken curry with my mother. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Last video's question answer is skate. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the ghee rice. First add ghee. And then one chili, green chili. And 2 cardamom and pandan leaves. Then add 2 tablespoons of onion. Mix it well. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Put 3 cups of basmati rice and soak the rice in the water for 20 minutes. Added 4 cups of hot water. Now add coconut milk. Mix it well. Now add salt. Now add soaked rice in the pot. Mix well, close the lid, keep it for 1 whistle and then off the flame. Now the ghee rice is ready. Let's open it. It smells good. Now let's start the chicken curry. First heat the pan and add coconut oil. Now add all spices and add 3 onions. Add 2 chilies and 3 tablespoons of onions. Add salt and mix well. Now the onions are fried. Now add 2 small tomatoes and curry leaves. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And 2 spoons of chili powder. Mix it well. Next, add 10 tablespoons of yogurt. Turmeric powder. And add 1 tablespoon of fresh chicken. well. Mix well. Add water. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken curry is ready. Off the flame and garnish with coriander and mint leaves. Mix it well. Okay, the dishes are ready, so let's taste them. Very nice. It was really tasty. Try to be home. You will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. The delicious dishes was really nice. Try to be home. You will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Today's question is, which is the capital of Switzerland? If you know the answer, tell it in the comments below. Bye!